If you know food which are healthy for you and would help you to live a longer life, would you not eat those food as often as possible? Is breakfast the only important meal of the day? How many of you have regular breakfast and do not skip it ever? We even do not keep an account of what we eat throughout the day. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Bunjan, your friend, your guide and a nutritionist from All Care Homeopathy Clinic. We need food to live, and to live longer, we need to eat less but more in terms of quality. Simply following the balanced and nutritious diet is the best way to achieve your desirable body weight with better immunity and boosted metabolism. There is a long list of crazy healthy food. So let's find out. And today I will share those foods with you. What we eat and when we eat is responsible for altering the chemicals in the brain that affect our body function, our mood, attitude, behavior and thought. So, choices of food has a tremendous effect on us. These are the 5 food we should eat every day. First is a omega-3. Second, probiotic. Third is a dark green leafy veg. Fourth is calcium and fifth is antioxidant. First, omega-3. Omega-3 is a polyunsaturated fatty acid. These are the rich source of good fat which lowers the bad cholesterol in the body, and even it is good for the skin and hair. It increases the ratio of antioxidant in the body and protects the brain from aging. It is mostly found in nuts and seeds like chia seed, flax seed, nuts like walnut. Walnut even boosts the reproductive organ in our body. And the seafood is considered as the most important source of omega-3. Second, probiotic. Probiotic is a live microorganism which provide health benefit when consumed, generally by improving the gut flora. 75% of the diseases are mostly come from the digestive system. It is mostly found in yogurt, buttermilk, paneer, cheese, fermented food like idli and dosa. Third is a dark green leafy veg. These provide good health and help to balance the pH of the body. It even boosts the immune function and suppresses the free radical, and additionally it has the inflammatory properties. They are the rich source of fiber, folate, phytochemicals like carotenoid, minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamin like C and K. They are mostly found in spinach, arbi, cabbage, choulai leaves, drumstick leaves and many more. Fourth is a calcium. As we all know, calcium helps us in strengthening the bone and even reduces the risk of osteoporosis in late years of the age. It is mostly found in ragi, poppy seeds like khaskhas, paneer, water cashew nut that is singara and curry leaves. And fifth is a antioxidant. It is also called as a free radical scavenger. It protects us from the oxidative stress and reduces the risk of severe illnesses like cancer and diabetes. It is mostly found in all sorts of fruits and berries like strawberries, goji berries, even in tomato, carrot, dark chocolate, and the most important source is a green tea or herbal tea. And it also acts as a detoxification in our body. So including all this food stuff in your daily diet will give you a tremendous health benefit, and they are easy to find and less expensive. Enjoy your food which have medicinal and healing property, and it's not mere for the taste and should give you energy throughout the day. And the last 3 tips which I want to share, that first, it's not about one meal but making healthy choices. Second, do not exceed your daily calorie intake. And third, try to eat from all food groups including which I have mentioned above. So let's edit a habit for a healthier tomorrow. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates.